Hello, and my name is Debbie Watts, and thank you for coming back to watch my watercolour card art tutorial. Here's the card that we're going to make today. A few items that you'll need. Why not transform that silver glitter card by adding a alcohol pen? A watercolour card, Brushos, spritz it with water. Take a border die on a plain piece of card and create a decorative edge and add some oxides to the edges. Repeat some Brushos techniques on 2 more cardstocks, and with these you can make flowers. You'll need to cut 2 large, 2 medium and 2 small. With a roller ball on a foam pad, shape those petals. Do the same with all 6 pieces. Take 2 of the same size, some glossy accents as glue, and affix them together. Hold in place with your roller ball for a couple of minutes. Once they're set, poke it all and some stamens and thread those through the centre. Isn't that flower amazing? And don't those Brushos look really great on the flowers? I want to make some flourishes. 1 from a watercolour cardstock and 2 from a glitter card. Pop those small delicate die pieces with your pokey tool. Again, you can add colour to your glitter card using an alcohol pen. On the plain cardstock, I've used distress oxides. Taking a sentiment, place it on an acrylic block. With your black ink, I've used VersaFine here, and stamp onto a separate piece of card. You want to trim this to size, and I've taken a corner punch just to nip those corners and added some distress inks to the edge. You've got all your components now for this card, so let's start construction. Add some tape to the back of each layer and fix into place. You want a 1/2 centimetre border all round on each of the layers. Put foam pads on the back of your flowers and on the back of your sentiment. Try them in a few places until you've actually got the desired effect you want. Once you're happy with that, affix it down, and there's your card. So thank you very much again for joining me in this short video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment and share, and I hope to see you back here soon. From me to you, happy crafting.